Well, folks, welcome to the channel. Big Daddy Chuck here. Down here in just south of Mount Jackson. We stopped here to check out this little place called Meems Bottom Bridge. It's an old covered bridge. You can see here where this tree line here all the way along these fields is the North Fork of the Shenandoah River. And it runs all the way down here. See down where these cones are, way down there. They're building a new bridge there, but that's the bridge that goes over the Shenandoah River. And of course it goes right on down there, starts meandering along the mountain range here, going right through Mount Jackson, Edinburgh, Woodstock, and on to Strasburg, and then finally down the front row where it dumps into the South Fork. So we're going to go down here and check this bridge out. Haven't been down here many, many years, so first time on the bike. I don't know if you can see right here in front of us, there's some chains hanging down with some yellow straps on them there to let you know that if you're any taller than that, you're going to hit the bridge. And I tell you, we just come across this bridge and we're behind a big piece of farm equipment, and I wish I had the camera on because we were going really, really slow behind him, and he just come through there a little bit too fast, and he was a bouncing, and man, if that top of that bridge, it just smacked the top of that bridge, the old bridge. All kind of stuff come falling down on the road there, but one time not to have that camera on, man. And we were just, you know, we just stopped a couple miles up the road there. We wasn't going far to start filming this, but stick around, folks. All right. So it's pretty out here, nice and peaceful. Got some crops in the ground. We're starting on this one here on the left, I'm sure soon. If they haven't already. Still smell a whole lot like chicken shit out here with all that fertilizer they use all the time. We call that the country cologne out here. For the wind noise, I actually ripped the cord to my external microphone. I usually run up my shirt there. Well, we got off the bike over there in Fort Valley, and I ripped it right too. So, unfortunately, I do not have a spare, but I will. Real soon. When I get back, I'm ordering two. There we are, folks. We're coming into it. You can see the North Fork runs right under that. Try and get a little picture of it. Stretch of water right there. I have not fished this area, but I am definitely going to try and get down here. We're going to do a video of us going down here and get a little fishing in. It's a beautiful old covered bridge. All right, here we go. good. Big Daddy Chuck, we'll see you next time. Come down here and do a little fishing.